Good morning students. In this class I will be doing class 9 constructions exercise 11.2. Second sum, construct a triangle ABC in which BC is equal to 8 centimeter, angle B is equal to 45 degree and AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here it is given AB minus AC. So AB side will be greater than AC. Okay. So first one is BC is equal to 8 centimeter. So we'll draw first BC as 8 centimeter. So 8 centimeter, BC 8 centimeter. Then with B 45 degree we need to construct. So for doing that we'll draw 90 degree, then we will bisect this. So the same procedure how we did for constructing 90 degree, the same thing we will do. First one is 90 degree. So we'll use dotted lines to join that. Then if we bisect this angle, we'll get 45 degree. So we are bisecting this angle. So we mark that as D. That angle as D. So DBC is 45 degree. Then AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So that is the difference between these two lines is given as 3.5 centimeter. So we'll take 3.5 measurement. 3.5 we will take. So this is 3.5. So with B as center, we'll cut 3.5 on BD and we'll extend that, we'll join that point to C. We'll mark that as E. So for EC, we'll construct a perpendicular line. So more than half above and below arcs with E as center, above and below arcs. Then we will extend the line to that BD ray such that, see here, so it has to be extended and it has to bisect that BD line. So we'll extend this BD ray also. So the point where this perpendicular line and this BD intersects, that is the measure of angle, that is the point of A. So we'll join AC now. So this is the triangle with the required measurement, triangle ABC with the required measurements. Now if we find the measure of AB and AC and subtract it, it has to be 3.5 centimeter. So AB is 12 centimeter and AC is 8.5 centimeter. So AB minus AC is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So this is how the triangle has to be constructed. So this is AB minus AC. So we'll get a triangle like this, that is length of AB will be greater than AC. Then only we'll subtract, we'll get this measurement 3.5 centimeter. So this is the required triangle of ABC. So ABC is the required triangle with the given measurements. Okay. Thank you.